So this is how you start an intro. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Robin. Please remember to subscribe. I'm currently sitting on my floor near my bed. I thought I'd like to just change it up a little bit every single week, so I'm not sitting in the same place. I want to be, let's just make that fun. So today I thought I would show you my wavy kind of, I would like to describe it as my inspired Mamma Mia like waves. Also, it's perfect time for summer, and you can just look back and like, this is my lockdown hair. I had them in my last video and I got complimented on, so I thought I would show you how I got them and also how to style it up a little bit today. So I thought I would show you that, so let's get on with the video. So this normally starts the night before. I personally recommend this with wet hair, so you can just come out the shower after you've washed your hair, or what I'm doing is I'm just spraying my hair with water. Now just brush out to get all the tangles out. Now this next part is really up to you. I decided just to go for a middle part, but like I said, it's really up to you where you want to part your hair, but I always part my hair in the middle when I do this. Now I just clip one side of my hair, then I can work with the other side. Now I just take my back combing brush and just part so I can get the bit I want. I always make sure that I part it straight so I get 3 equal bits of hair. And if you're wondering what I'm about to do, is I'm about to French braid my hair. So start off with 3 equal strands. And take one part, cross it to the other, and you take one part and cross it to the other side as well. Like so. And then I'm just going to take this bit of hair, make sure it's long from the ear, and I take my thumb and just pick it up and put it into one of the strands of hair. Then I do the same again on the top of my head. Then continuing to braid the rest of my hair all the way down. I kinda came an expert of doing double French braids because I used to dance a lot, so, and when we did shows we used to always do that hairstyle. Shout out to the girls in this picture, you know who you are. Just an example of one of the dance shows with my hair like this. Hey girls, love you. Continuing braiding the rest of the hair. and then secure it with a hair bobble. And now do the same on the other side. And now it's off to bed. And now that it's morning, let's sort out the hair. But first, let's sort out the face. There we go. Now that I've done my makeup, it's now move on to the hair. So I'm undoing the braids. And you'll get something that looks a little bit like this. Now let's undo the other one. Pretty! And now what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of heat protectant on. You'll see why in a minute. But first, let's style this lovely wavy hair. So I'm just going to do simple twists. So I'm just twisting to the back, and every time I keep twisting, I add a little bit of hair every time I twist. Then I tie it off with an elastic. Now let's do the same on the other side. What I'm doing now is I'm going to take a strand of hair in the top section and just take my straighteners and just go forward and back, twist, forward, back, forward and back. Then I just keep repeating that on the top layers of my hair. So it looks a little bit more natural, but still keeping the volume. Or making it less tamed, which way you want to put it. Now what I like to do next is backcomb the pigtails. There you go, gorgeous. Now you're ready to move to Greece, start up a hotel and make 3 guys fall in love with you. And sing all the ABBA you know. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and hopefully you try that out and send me pictures and tag me in them so I can see all your lovely, lovely wavy moving to doing a Donna in Greece hair. So I hope you enjoyed that, and also like I said, if you've seen my bracelets on Instagram, I have that link down below so you can get them as well, and also twinsies on flask. I'll show you where I get them as well. Cute Nutrition, like I said, I'll have the code linked, like I said, once again I'll have the code link here once again so you can get 10% off your order. Like I said, it's honestly so great, so I would definitely recommend, and also to get this amazing flask so we can be twinsies. So I'll see you once again in another video, so and during this time stay safe, love ya. Bye!